Kaya we're on the way to treetop. May mga taon more engaged na ngayon sa sa nature.
If you drive right before the
Way to the radio station of treetop.
Narito ka. Ayan si Lola. Nakita niyo si Lola?
Yes, paakyat na kami ng treetop. It's a high hill. High hill. Another nature adventure here, guys. See you around. Already like 1.5 meter. We still have another 3.5 kilometers to walk, guys. This is the view in here, and you see the road, rough road. My God, I'm breathless right now. As in, still have 3 more kilometers to walk. But it's a good exercise. I am engaged with the nature again here. See you. 2 kilometers na kami, guys. My God. It still have like 3 kilometers to go up in the tree. And look at the nature here. Some are very old trees. Para lang po kaming nasa probinsya. Yan po. Hinihingal ako. I'm breathless. And look at the road. Hinihingal ako sa pagsushoot ko. Kasama ko si Tekla, si still can dance. But I'm breathless now. See you.
Wow.
Yep, still way more to walking. So we are still here at the nature.
Hey, let's press on. And then go for it.
Treetop on the way to treetop.
Talagang iniba nila yung daanan.
Talaga? Yan, on the way to treetop. Here, another more. You see the forest and the trees in here? Still a lot. Way more to walk, but then it's worth because it's a beautiful nature. And very fresh air. Very cool. It's hot day, but then malamig po. It's cold. Not really cold, but it's not humid inside. Look at the beautiful nature. On the way to treetop. And that's the beautiful nature here. Very close, as in very, very close now.
Noon pa ako nandyan yung you are here.
We're very close to the treetop. And I'm very, very breathless now. So breathless. A little bit more push. And look at this. So breathless. Yes, guys. Here. This is the street up. And going down there. This is the way. I can see now the beauty of the treetop. Here, 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 here. So this is so cool. I worth the walk. And to the top of the treetop. This is the entrance. Hi. Walking now to the street up here. So, ayan po. This is the treetop.
Ayun siya.
This is the way. Hanging bridge.
Ayun siya. Ganun kami kataas. Nasa ano pala kami.
So this is the hanging bridge. Can you see down there? And Tekla Tess is here.
And she's here also.
See down there? My nerve is shaking in here. Please do not turn back. Oh, okay. Look, yung lalakaran po namin is napaka-narrow lang. And it's windy at the moment, so it's a bit wavy. Wavy po. As in. But really, we're on the top of the tree now. It's very high. And down there is, I'm not sure how many kilometers is. Ilan ba to? Gano'n to kataas? How many meters height?
No, I think 5-story building.
5-story building, 5th story, or 7-story building, like that, as high as that. As in beautiful, beautiful scenery in here.
Amokyo yun.
That reservoir is on Mokyo? Okay. Far away there is a part of Amokyo.
Yan yung sandpit ng Singapore. Diyan sila kumukuha ng mga sand. Yung puti-puti doon na may brown.
Oh, yeah? Paris.
Pwede na pala maglambot.
Yan na po yung view. We're in the middle. We're in the middle of the hanging bridge. Hanging bridge po ito. Very wavy. I mean, not so wavy because mayroon naman siya mga, ano tawag yan? May mga railing na rin to support. But then, it's...
Andito kami. Wala kayo dyan. Ayun o. Hindi ko ako pwedeng maganda. May tao sa harap ko.
Yeah po. You see where we walking now? May bata sa likuran ko. My God, there's no way na makuha ko pa yung phone ko if I drop this. So I better hold this carefully. Really.
Tapos na talaga kami, oh. Kaya the bridge, malapit na kami.
How many kilometers of this bridge?
Mga 0.5 na.
0.5
Kalahati.
or 1.5? I mean like 1 kilometer. Maybe 1 kilometer.
Sabi ni Kiboy, nila niya
It's quite long, you know.
doon mo yung ganito. Doon ako pumunta rito, bago pa mga photo.
Ayan na po yung kasama ko, gumagapang na siya. Hindi na siya makalakad.
Takot.
Yes, we're closer to the...
Ay, wala si Monkey.
Yeah, we're closer. Yan po yung iba. Closer na kami to the finish line. Yes. Yahoo! I managed to get onto the top of the treetop. And then we're heading back now. My knees are shaking coming here. It's really hard work.
Gusto mo bumaba dyan?
Still, may a little path pa pala dito, no?
Oo, parang magandang babahan dyan, pero hindi ko...
I don't want to.
Why?
I just don't want to go there. I wanna try the right way because parang nobody walks there.
Talaga?
Hmm.
May lagari ka?
Kuha lang kitang picture. So, may ilog din dito sa Singapore and look at that. It's so malinaw. Ano? Hindi na po. Ewan ko kung paano nila na. Parang galing to sa reservoir, no? The water is from the reservoir, guys. Pero kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. Linaw-linaw. Diyos ko, ang sarap niya. Namiss ko tuloy yung Pilipinas. Ayan po yung dumadaloy na tubig dito. Running water here. It's from the reservoir actually. It's from mcrichie reservoir, I think. Ang linaw ng tubig po.